What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. Today we're diving into the Fifine AM8, a dynamic USB XLR microphone that's been making noise in the budget audio world. Though it spells Fifine, based from what I researched, the correct pronunciation is Fifine. So our good friends in Fifine reached out to me to review this budget microphone. And disclaimer, they don't have any editorial input on this video, and this is all my pure honest experience on it. So is the Fifine AM8 is just a hype? Or does it actually deliver a studio-worthy sound? So let's find out. Let's start with unboxing first. Right off the box, the AM8 gives off a gamer meets creator vibe. And you'll be met first by the paper documentation on how to use or set up the microphone. You also get a metal base, which is good. Then the USB-C to USB Type-A cable complete with fine Velcro tie. Then the AM8 microphone itself. The windscreen is already attached to the mic and mostly used for filtering background noise. And that's mostly what's on the box. The AM8 design is clean and modern. The touch-sensitive mute and RGB buttons are intuitive, and the mic's matte finish resists fingerprints as well. It does have other color options like black and pink, but what I really like is this white finish that they've sent to me. It feels solid and well built. Its metal mount is pretty adjustable. The mic feels lightweight as well as its main component is plastic built, though it's more in the premium side. It does have two knobs for controlling volumes on the mic. The gain volume knobs is a little bit on the loose side, but mostly just fine. The RGB lighting is subtle but stylish, not over the top like some other gaming gears. At the bottom part located its USB Type-C port, the XLR port, and its headphone jack. Here's where the AM8 shines, its connectivity and compatibility. It is a dual USB and XLR output, so that means you can plug it directly into your PC or run it through an audio interface for more control. The USB connection is plug and play, and I really like how it is compatible on other devices. It works on Windows, Mac, and even PS5 and some tablets. I tested it on my Windows gaming laptop using the Adobe Premiere Pro, and it works fine. I tested it also in my MacBook Air M1 with Mac OS Tahoe, using Adobe Premiere Pro where I'm editing and recording this video, and it pretty works well. So this is the audio performance of the Fifine AM8 microphone. So I'm currently recording it on the S24 Ultra for the video, and the input is the AM8 microphone and it's connected currently on it. So I'm really surprised that it works even on Android. So that's a good thing because it has great compatibility almost all of devices. So if you're using MacBook, Windows, Android, even tablets, and I think iPhone will work as well, as long as you have a cable connector, and also PS5 it will work as well. So for its performance, its audio recordings are clear and concise. I really love also how it captures the tone of your voice and the volume. It's almost like podcast level and almost the same level I think of other pricier microphone that's out there on the market. So one good thing about this microphone is its price. So this is a budget microphone which is cost around 2,500 pesos or around 50 to 60 US dollars. So for those who are just starting up in content creation, in streaming, or in doing a podcast, or just doing any other content creation, this would be one of the best options that you can get right now. For only around 3,200 pesos with the boom arm and around 2,600 pesos with this regular stand, it's equivalent of around 60 to 50 US dollars. The AM8 hold its own, especially for gamers and content creators who wants flexibility and style without spending a fortune. Its pros is it does have dual USB XLR output, a stylish RGB lighting, a touch-sensitive controls, great sound for the price, and plug-and-play simplicity. For its cons, it is plastic build, the knobs could be better, and no dedicated software or EQ controls. So, is the Fifine AM8 worth your money? If you're a beginner content creator, gamer, or remote worker looking to upgrade from a headset mic, well, absolutely. I really enjoy using it, and aesthetically and compatibility wise, it can blend on any of your setup and even use in Windows, Mac, or PS5. It's not perfect though, but it's very solid performer with features that punch above its price tag. For under $60 or below 3,000 pesos, definitely it's one of the best entry-level dynamic mics out there. And that is my Fifine AM8 microphone review. What mic are you using right now and what do you want me to review next? Comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.